how wind turbine blades are molded inside the giant composite manufacturing plant. Welcome inside the realm of colossal composite engineering. This is the full end-to-end industrial process revealing how giant wind turbine blades, the very backbone of the multi-billion-dollar green energy industry, are molded and manufactured. From raw fiberglass spools to the final majestic aerodynamic airfoils, every single step is a testament to high-tech efficiency and absolute material control. This documentary takes you deep inside the hidden, hyper-efficient factory floor where art meets industrial science. Phase 1, structural layup. Witness the automated cutting and precise layering of fiberglass fabrics, followed by the accurate placement of lightweight core materials and complex shear webs that form the internal skeleton of the blade. Phase 2, vacuum infusion and curing. Follow the colossal layup as it is hermetically vacuum sealed. Powerful pumping systems then draw liquid composite resin into the mold, flawlessly saturating every fiber under intense negative pressure, ensuring unbroken strength. Phase 3, bonding and finishing. See the two massive mold halves precisely joined using industrial-grade structural adhesives, followed by controlled compression and curing. This is succeeded by robotic milling, grinding, and the flawless application of protective anti-erosion coatings. Phase 4, inspection and logistics. Experience the rigorous quality checks using laser metrology, precise weight and balance calibration, and the integration of internal lightning protection systems before the blade is wrapped and loaded onto specialized transporters to begin its journey to the wind farm. Every motion in this facility is synchronized. Every machine is programmed to the highest tolerance, and every blade produced is an engineering marvel ready to harness the power of the wind. If you appreciate efficiency, massive-scale engineering, and the secret processes behind this billion-dollar global industry, this is the deep dive you've been waiting for.
Watch the adhesive on the left side. Clear. Keep the film coming, nice and taut.
Almost there, I've got the tape ready.
Airline secured, edges sealed tight, ready to pull vacuum.
Confirmed. Turning on the pump now.
Forward slowly, keep it straight. Align the center, steady now. Coming down on the mark. Okay, easy now, bring it down 5 feet, hold it. All right, set it down gently.
Keep it steady on the merge, overlook clear.
Copy that, proceeding to lane 2.